Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display. And now you can go to screen timeout, and right now it's set to 1 minute, but you can also choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. Personally, 10 minutes, 30 minutes are a bit too long, 15 seconds, 30 seconds are a bit too short. I always set it to like 2 minutes, and then if you put your phone aside and don't touch it and also don't lock it, the phone will lock itself after 2 minutes. If you've done that, you can just go back and then use your phone as normal, and when you put it aside and don't lock it, your phone will lock itself after 2 minutes. So that's how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.